Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. This is an introduction video of the ABC 123915 indicator. The ABC 123915 indicator was designed for patient traders to wait for the market to stabilize after the market open. Once the market is somewhat stabilized, the ABC 123915 indicator will start drawing a volatility range box. Once the box has finished drawing, which will take a few minutes, the box will change color and now you are ready to trade. Now let's look at some of the parameters of the ABC 123915 indicator. This indicator, the main purpose of it, you have to start with the market open. Whatever your market open is, set your time so in order for this indicator to work. I'm set for New York time or Eastern Standard Time. That's why I'm set to 9:30. You have options of sound bites, of course, colors, and also limit entry colors. And this is the main function of how we're using this indicator. Now let's dig a little deeper into this indicator. So what happens is after the market open, what you'll see is there could be, a rush up, a rush down. We don't know exactly what happens. Sometimes there's whip, and if you're lucky, if you're on the right side of the trade, you can make quite a few points in the beginning. But if you're on the wrong side, then you're chasing your trade. So after the volatility starts slowing down somewhat, this box here will be a different color, and it will slowly grow after a certain amount of time. And once it's done, it will change color. In this example, I actually have Fibonacci colors as well connected to it. There is an option in this indicator that you can turn it on or off, so I'll turn it off for now. And this would be the off color, and you can choose any color that you like. So when this is done, it will actually tell you how many ticks, the size of the box is, and now we're ready to start trading. The key is not to trade in this box. Just give it time to play, because you never know, it could go up or it could be a failure, and just give it time. Once it starts breaking out of the box, a candle will form with a different color as well as a line. These lines, there's actually going to be two different color lines, a limit order line and a stop line. But because we're back in time right now, as you can see in the bottom of this box, they're both red because we're not in the current trade. But what you do is once it breaks out, place your limit order on the line, wait for the order to come back, and off to the races you go. And on this example, yes, we did miss the market open punch. It was a really good punch for the morning. But if you're not confident, just give it time. And even though we missed that first initial drive, what you'll see for the day, where's market close? Well, this is totally went up for the whole day, looks like. Okay, 4 o'clock is the close. So basically, if you got on that one trade, and you were patient enough on that dotted line till the end of the day, you would have been up 95 points or close to $2,000 on the NASDAQ. So what we do, next day, here we go again. And this is another perfect example of when days are whippy. We're expecting the market starting to crash. So people are, you're jumping to the trade and maybe you make a few bucks and all of a sudden it whips back on you and you're like, oh no, I'm going back in here. And then it starts whipping down and you're chasing the trade. The 915 indicator will start calculating, and once it's done calculating, it will change into this color again. And the key is, once again, put your limit order in. It wouldn't be the first, let me see here. No, it wouldn't be the first one because this was a down candle. It would have been the second one going up. You place your limit order here, see how it pops back in, and off to the races. This example for risk and reward, basically, as you can see here, actually, our limit order would have been on the 30 line. Our maximum potential could have been another $1,000. As you can see, the market starts crashing again, and and it gets back within the box. We place our limit order here. We never got in a trade. We place our second limit order here because it came up, came down. This line appears, so we'll put our trade on this line. We miss it again. Third opportunity, we enter the trade. It looks like we had a little bit of heat, not much, and we made another profit. Hit the ruler again. So 1, 2, 3 for somewhere around the 9. Another $600 profit. Same thing going down. First entry, it exited. We got into second, came back, kind of bit us a little bit, so we have to wait. Do it again. Second time, but the third time was a charm. You still can make a few bucks here. It doesn't look like it's that much. It depends if you have 2 contracts, maybe for a $100 profit, second one for break even. You think about it, see, that's a $200 move. Let's try one more example so you can understand. Here we go again. First thing in the morning, looks like it's shooting up. All of a sudden it's starting to crash, we're not sure. First opportunity came in, it looks like we lost it, but it came back and literally we entered by 1 tick. Here's a horizontal line again, right on the 28. Let's put it right there. As you can see, it just touched and away we go again. Check the ruler. Maximum potential, another $600 move. Over and over and over again. Depending on the day, depending on volatility, it will continuously calculate over and over and over again. Now this day, let's go and actually the last one. And this one you would say this is a terrible day, but we would put a limit order. And it came down. Yeah, we got knocked out. Second opportunity, nothing. Third opportunity, got knocked out. And you can use the previous one as a stop, just in case. So you wouldn't have lost the third one. But the fourth opportunity, we got into a trade and off to the races. Let's check it right here on the 24 to the top, 66 points. It was a frustrating morning with that, that regular whip. It looks like it's going good, coming back, and you can have your trend lines, etc. And that's basically it for the 915 indicator. And it works very, very well. We've been using it with a few of our clients now, and they're really enjoying it. It really helped them to stay out of, I guess, this type of whippage as much as possible, minimizing the risks, maximizing the reward. Other than that, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to come to the website at abc123trader.com. Thank you and have a great day.